Service recommendations and VisionLink provide data-driven insights that help you proactively manage equipment health and take timely action. These insights are personalized to your assets and appear automatically when specific conditions or events occur. To use this feature, your assets must be subscribed in VisionLink. Once subscribed, you will see the recommendation insights appear as they occur. As recommendations occur, they will be visible in the Needs Review page under the Recommendations tab, which is accessible on both the VisionLink web and mobile platforms. Insights may include maintenance needs or issues for air filters, oil filters, fuel filters, track wear, condition monitoring repairs, and more. These recommendations are triggered by real-time machine data, giving you a clear and detailed look into potential problems before they escalate. With just a click or tap, you can request service, order the necessary parts, or choose to act at a later time. Whether you're on the job site or at your desk, you'll have the same access to these insights on both desktop and mobile. With proactive alerts, asset-specific insights, and flexible next steps, service recommendations help you reduce downtime and help you make more confident decisions for your business. Visit vl.cat.com or download the VisionLink mobile app and log into your VisionLink account today to explore recommendations.